Okay, hello and welcome to Retro Bike Stuff. We're doing another little review, this time on the alarm disc lock. Relatively cheap little disc lock brake for your motorcycle. That I've had a look at. This would probably go well with the chain I did. I would probably use both of them. So there's the chain. If you haven't seen the video on that one, I did a video on the chain. I think this came in relatively cheap. I don't think it was too expensive. I think it was around 20 euros or something like that. Put a link to this in the description, as well as maybe a screenshot of what it is here. These are the batteries. Oh, it does make a oopsies, makes a deterrent alarm when you strap it onto the bike, and then this goes from the lock itself up to the handlebars, so you don't forget you have the disc lock on. But I would presume I'll probably get this open with this. You get 3 keys with it. If I can work it. I'm not sure how Okay, so I think I figured it out. You actually get, these are spare batteries. The batteries in it are working as well, so these are spare ones. So what you do is you put it up to your lock, and then you close it like this. Then you hear 3 beeps, which I hope will go now. There we go. And then when you vibrate again, someone comes up to your bike and vibrates it. It makes a horrible noise to deter them. I think I'll go outside on the bike itself and show you how it works on the bike with a disc. And okay, so we're outside now, and I think it's meant to go really on the other side of the bike, which would be onto the brake lever, but it'll do the same job here. Sorry, you just place this through here, and then you can put it through one of the circles in your disc here. So to do that, you're going to have to go through it here, find one of your locks, like that. Gives you a few seconds. You wrap this up around your throttle or whatever it is, and then it should give you a few beeps. So there's the 3 beeps. And then if someone comes to try and rob your bike, they should get an alarm. There we go. And that alarm is pretty nasty. But that's it. Put on the bike. Pretty easy to do. Let's get back upstairs. Okay, now that you've seen it working on the bike, we'll just it comes with a little, you can see it there, it comes with a little carrying case as well. You can put it in, maybe fit it underneath your cowl in the rear of a bike, something like that. In there, goes in there like something like that. Like there you go, and then it straps down, and then there like that. There we go. And then you have this that goes around it, and then you can lock it up. I think it's pretty good actually. It's pretty good as alarms go for locks. It's very loud. It's easy to set up. I got it pretty quickly on how to do it. 6mm lock pin on it, but it looks pretty good to me. I'd probably recommend this actually. I wouldn't really know the difference between a really expensive one now and a cheap one like this. But if you are interested in a disc alarm or a disc lock with an alarm on it, this will be linked down in the description below to a link to Amazon where you can buy it for around 15 to 20 euros, I think, something like that, £15. So if you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and finally maybe comment down below what you think of these little disc locks.